Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report an item as lost on the Uber app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and report an item as lost. Maybe you left your phone, maybe you left your purse. How do you actually go ahead and report that on the Uber app? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, click on Activity on the bottom middle hand side. Afterwards, click on the ride which you lost an item with, then scroll down and then click on Find Lost Item. So afterwards, it's going to take you to Uber support so that you can go ahead and report your lost item, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and report an item as lost on the Uber app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all